Snapchat stock price target is $130. Besides, Snap stock skyrocketed after Snapchat announced during their earnings report that they could increase the revenue. We will talk more about their earnings report and the Snapchat stock prediction. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Here are some quick facts about Snapchat. Snapchat is similar to Instagram, where you can share your photos and videos on their app. It was founded in 2010 and it has about 3,000 employees. Smash the like button. And here is the Snapchat earnings report. I just noticed that Snapchat renamed the company into Snap. So here's the Snap earnings report. So they invest into their camera and augmented reality platform. So they also invest into the future to be able to grow more. So they also strengthen their ad platform with their business partners to be able to generate more revenue in the future. They also try to engage more with their community by improving some features like creator profiles. Alright, here you can see that they could increase their revenue up to 52% compared to the previous year, which is quite a lot. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. And as you can see here on the fourth quarter 2019, it is also more compared to the previous quarter, which means during the fourth quarter, the winter or Christmas season, they're also able to increase their revenue. So let's have a further look. They also can, they have like almost 250 million active users per day. So that's quite a lot, because Instagram has about 500 million active daily users. So yeah, that's quite interesting. I didn't know that Snapchat has so many users. Maybe I will give it a try. Alright, next they could also increase the revenue per users. So yeah, that's a good way to monetize. Let's see something else. They can they could also decrease their operating expenses like 11% less compared to the previous year. So that's very good. They could increase their revenue like by 50% and decrease their operating costs, which means they are able to work more efficiently right now. That's good. Alright, next, so let's have a quick look at the Snap stock performance. And yeah, the Snap stock price as of 23rd October 2020 is at about $43. And as you can see here, there's a big spike right after the Snapchat earnings report from $28 to 43. So let's do the math here real quick. $43.70 divided by $28. How much was it again? $28.60. Okay, let's do the math here. So wow, that's around 50% increase within the 2 days. That's quite a spike. And 1 month ago, the Snapchat stock price was at around $24. So it's also like 50%, like roughly 60% increase. And 1 year ago, the Snapchat stock price or Snap stock price was at around $13.50. So let's do the math. Yeah, it's like literally triple your investment if you invest into Snapchat 1 year ago. So that's quite performance. the market capitalization of Snapchat is 64 billion US dollars. So it is considered a large cap stock. And the Snapchat or the Snap stock price target, wow, it's a little bit confusing. The Snapchat stock price target is at around 130 US dollars if it can keep this kind of stock performance. What is your favorite stock so far? Comment in the video description below, maybe I will make a video about it. Subscribe and see you next time.